Today we're going to make baked ziti. So I started out by browning my Italian sausage. And I'm going to add some ground beef to it and some spaghetti sauce. I'm cheating a little bit today. I had spaghetti and meatballs from the other night. So I am just going to break up the meatballs, add it to my sausage to make my baked ziti. All right, while I'm breaking up my meatballs and warming up my spaghetti sauce with my sausage incorporated, I'm also bringing my ziti noodles to a boil. It's good. So I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to go ahead and drain these, and we will get moving assembling our ziti. All right, we've drained our noodles. So now I'm just going to take a small pan. I normally don't use these type of aluminum pans, but I'm going to give this away. So I want to use something I don't want to get back. I'm going to add a layer of ziti noodles. Then I'm going to add a layer of sauce, a nice healthy layer of spaghetti sauce. I think baked ziti as well as lasagna, it's not about getting a number of layers. It's more about the cheese and the sauce and the in-between. So I would like mine to be nice and cheesy. Now I'm adding cottage cheese. You can use ricotta. A lot of people use ricotta. I think it's a little bit dry. So I prefer cottage cheese. It doesn't matter. Make it your own. I'm going to add a layer of Italian cheese. Italian style cheese blend. You can use provolone, you can use mozzarella. And then I'm just going to repeat and make my second layer. So I'll put the rest of the noodles on top. Top this with the rest of the meat sauce. And then the rest of the cottage cheese. There's some more Italian cheese or mozzarella. Okay, now I'm going to pop this in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes or so, just long enough to melt the cheese and get it nice and bubbly on top. All right, straight out of the oven, nice and brown on top. Let's give it a try and see how it tastes. Okay. Delicious. Thanks for watching Shareable Recipes. Like and share the recipe, and I will have a recipe card out for this too. Thanks. See y'all tomorrow.